Okay, now you just put your first full essay together. But let's practice another one. This is workshop 16, where we practice writing a new essay. Are you ready? Because it's time to practice. Now that you've written a whole essay by yourself, it's time to practice on your own. On the next few pages, you'll write a 5-paragraph essay to answer the question, what is the best holiday? Remember to start off by figuring out what the key words in the question are. As a reminder, these are the 5 paragraphs you will use. Start with an introduction that has your hook, background, and thesis. Then you will have 3 body paragraphs. The body paragraph number 1 is your topic sentence, explanation, and conclusion sentence. Body paragraph 2 is, again, a topic sentence, explanation, and conclusion sentence. What's body paragraph 3? That's right, your topic sentence, explanation, and conclusion sentence. Then you will have your conclusion paragraph. Start by rephrasing the thesis, then add your summary, final thought, and closer. Writing an essay is pretty easy, right? Just follow the steps and guides. If you get stuck as you write, remember, you can always look back in the book for help and watch these videos again. Okay, now that you know what to do, let's practice writing a full essay. You've got this.
Now let's write the essay introduction. You will write an introduction using a hook, background, and thesis for the essay question. Your essay question is, what is the best holiday? Here's an example. The hook is, all over the world, people celebrate holidays. The background is, holidays are when families get together to celebrate various things. Most holidays involve eating a lot of tasty food. There are different holidays in different countries. The thesis is, the best holiday is Christmas because you get presents, can make cookies, and get to have Christmas dinner. Now it's your turn. Write a hook, background, and thesis. Remember, the key word here is holiday, so make sure you have holiday in your thesis.
Now that you've finished your introduction paragraph, let's check it. Ask yourself, did I use an indentation to start my paragraph? Is the first sentence a hook? Is the background 3 to 4 sentences long? Is the last sentence a thesis that uses words from the question? If you checked them all correctly, you can move on to body paragraph 1.
Write your first body paragraph, a topic sentence, explanation, and conclusion sentence. Remember, this entire paragraph should match the first reason in your thesis. Here's an example. The topic sentence is, Christmas is my favorite because you get presents. The explanation is, all year long, elves at the North Pole work hard making toys. On Christmas Eve, if you are good, Santa brings you the toys as presents. On Christmas morning, you get to open the presents. The conclusion sentence is, Christmas is the best because I love getting gifts. Now you try. Write a topic sentence, explanation, and conclusion sentence to explain the first reason in your thesis.
Now let's use our checklist for body paragraph 1. Ask yourself, did I use an indentation to start my paragraph? Is the first sentence a topic sentence that matches the first reason in my thesis? Is the explanation 3 to 4 sentences long? Does the explanation give more details without being repetitive? Does the conclusion sentence mean something similar to the topic sentence? When you've got these all checked, you can move on to body paragraph 2.
Write the essay body paragraph 2. Write your second body paragraph, topic sentence, explanation, and conclusion sentence. Remember, this entire paragraph should match the second reason in your thesis. Here is an example. The topic sentence is, Christmas is also wonderful because you get to make cookies. Then we explain this. We make cookies to leave for Santa as a special treat for bringing us gifts. We also make cookies to eat with our family while we celebrate. Making cookies is a good way to make fun memories. And then the conclusion, which is similar to the topic sentence, says, making cookies is what makes Christmas amazing. Now, your turn. Write your topic sentence, explanation, and conclusion sentence for the second reason in your thesis.
Remember, after we write a paragraph, we always check to make sure we didn't miss anything. So let's check body paragraph 2. Ask yourself, did I use an indentation to start my paragraph? Is the first sentence a sentence that matches the second reason in my thesis? Is the explanation 3 to 4 sentences long? Does the explanation give more details without being repetitive? Does the conclusion sentence mean something similar to the topic sentence? Once you have these all checked that you did them in your paragraph, you can move on to body paragraph 3.
Write the essay body paragraph 3. Write your third body paragraph, a topic sentence, explanation, and conclusion sentence. Remember, this entire paragraph should match the third reason in your thesis. Here's an example. At last, the feasts during Christmas time are great. Most families enjoy a big Christmas dinner each year. The dinner has a lot of tasty food like ham or turkey. It is always fun to eat such a big meal with the people you love. Enjoying a huge feast at Christmas is one of the reasons it is the best. Now it's your turn. Write your topic sentence, explanation, and conclusion sentence for your third reason in the thesis.
Now let's check body paragraph 3 to make sure we did it correctly. Ask yourself, did I use an indentation to start my paragraph? Is the first sentence a topic sentence that matches the third reason in my thesis? Is the explanation 3 to 4 sentences long? Does the explanation give more details without being repetitive? Does the conclusion sentence mean something similar to the topic sentence? If you checked them all, you're ready to move on to the conclusion paragraph. Good luck.
Write the essay conclusion. Write a conclusion. Make sure you have your rephrased thesis, summary, final thought, and closer to finish off your essay. Here's an example. The rephrased thesis is, it is true that Christmas is my favorite holiday for many reasons. The summary is, some holidays celebrate countries getting freedom. Other holidays are to show how thankful we are. Every holiday is different and unique. I think holidays are important to people all over the world. This is the final thought. Then we have the closer. If it was Christmas every day, I would be as happy as a clam. Now you try. Rephrase your thesis, write a summary, and a final thought, then a closer to finish your essay. Remember, you can look back in your book if you need help remembering any of these parts.
It's finally time to check our conclusion paragraph. Are you ready? Ask yourself, did I use an indentation to start my paragraph? Is the first sentence a rephrased thesis that is similar to the thesis? Is the summary 2 to 3 sentences long with only ideas from the body paragraphs? Is the final thought one sentence that shows my opinion? Is the last sentence a closer? Congratulations, you have written another essay and checked it all complete. You're ready to move on, and I'll see you in the next lesson.